By later this week, guys, we have a weak front that'll move through and that'll bring about some cooler mornings. The afternoons will still be hot in the 90s, but again, some improvements are on the way. We'll talk about that in detail in a second. First and foremost, today's numbers on the first Monday of fall: 94, which is very summer-like. Typical average high 88. That's where we should be stopping, in the 80s this time of year in the fall. But instead, San Antonio hit 94 from a morning low of 77. So it was a very warm and humid day. It was warmer south than along I-35. You can see San Marcos at 97, 95 at Floresville, 97 at Pleasanton. It was a lot cooler in the hill country, from Bernie to Rock Springs to Fredericksburg, Kerr County, and Kendall County, all courtesy of a lot of cloud cover and some very, very light drizzle. The rain was not measurable. You can see over the last 12 hours, just a few sprinkles here and there between Bandera County towards Gillespie and Blanco County. Now we're dry and temperatures are slowly cooling down. Middle 80s across the metro to about 77 at Bernie, 78 at Kerrville, a little cooler at Rock Springs, again at 73. Tomorrow's forecast, a degree or two cooler, but still pretty hot. Remember, normal is 88 this time of year. Instead, we'll be at 93 tomorrow afternoon under partly cloudy conditions. By tomorrow night, I would say after sunset, there's an opportunity at seeing a few showers, maybe an isolated storm. Let me show you what that looks like. By tomorrow night, you can see one or two around 11 p.m. to midnight, and coverage is going to be few and far between. Maybe an isolated storm between Gonzales, I-35, and Hallettsville. But again, isolated coverage. Better chance Wednesday as a front slowly pushes through, and with daytime heat, that'll touch off widely scattered showers, maybe a few isolated non-severe storms Wednesday afternoon. So the rain chance is low, but it's still there Tuesday night and Wednesday afternoon. Meantime, tropics very active. As a matter of fact, in the Caribbean Sea, just south of Cuba, is what will be Hurricane Helene. Right now, it's a potential tropical cyclone, but here's the forecast. It'll emerge into the Gulf of Mexico probably by about Wednesday morning and making landfall somewhere along the Florida coast, along the Panhandle near Cedar Key and east of Tallahassee as a Category 2 to maybe a Category 3. Remember, the Gulf of Mexico is extremely warm, and this is sufficient heating and strengthening for a tropical system. Here's a forecast model. You can see moving towards the north by about Thursday morning, and then again making landfall near Florida Thursday night as maybe a major hurricane. So if you're heading east towards Florida or the Carolinas, heads up. There's going to be a lot of rain in that area across the southeast. 14-day forecast tomorrow: 94, 93 Wednesday. Small chance at an outside shower tomorrow. Better chance Wednesday afternoon after lunchtime. Thursday and Friday, skies clear. Mornings are more comfortable in the 60s, and that frontal boundary will move out the humidity just briefly for a few days through Saturday. Again, mornings will be comfortable in the 60s, highs in the 90s, with only slim rain chances in the forecast.